YouTube, Pivot13579 here, and today I'm teaching you guys how to use this freaking cheat engine. Any kind of cheat engine works, but seriously, yep, cheat engine 6.3 is what I vote for. But anyways, the heck? That's a lot of dudes. I already got a lot of bombs. What the frick? The heck? Anyways, dudes. Hey, the frick? Okay, anyways, we got rid of that thing. Just freaking press something in here. So, anyways, in Cheat Engine, firstly, you don't wanna download this for cheating or hacking. First of all, open Cheat Engine and change this thing to a browser. The browser you're making or you're using, like this. I'm using Rocket right now. Then after picking one, change 4 bytes into array of bytes. Then hexa is corrected. Now we do the codes, such as this thing. I guess I'll go with that. I guess I'll go with wall hacking first, and I think we'll do prison. So first of all, you need to pick a code. First one you're going to scan. Now copy, then put it beside hex or scan. If it doesn't work, it means you're not this thing doesn't is even not in this tab. So let's check each and every one. Okay, I'm back. So here's the one. So I got it corrected. So this code is in here. So I don't really think that this is the one. Let's take it. So first of all, press shift, hold shift, then scroll down to highlight them all and go till the end. And see this arrow over here? Click that to put them. The heck? Might have got wrong. So anyways, hold shift, then click this. See them all highlighted up? Now click this thing. So now, let's go to the second one. But before we do that, first things first. In this game, currently doesn't work too much. Wait a second, gonna change it. Okay, there. I'll use Go Samurai for now. And then we're on prison, and we're going to wall hack in there. Then here, so this is the one, and I copy paste the other one. Now let's do the thing that we did in there. What the heck did I get this? Okay, anyways, highlight it, double click, and this code only. Don't double click the array of byte or this or anything. Don't even click this box. So that's the code. Then click OK. Then minimize. Then we'll start. It might take a while, a little bit slow because you're hacking, of course. Hope this guy's on. The frick, the game shut down. Yes. A little bit waiting will make you learn patience. Yeah. Hope you don't even know what I'm talking about. Seriously. The heck? Who rejected me? Rude people. You know, see this thing? That means this tab isn't connected to that one, so not pretty much this thing. I messed up. Seriously, I messed up. Anyway, still prison. We're still in prison. And yep, prison's here. Copy. Then we gotta change this thing. That didn't work. That didn't work. No, don't save anything in there. There, so I changed this thing. Then when it goes tons of things, that means the thing is in there. Or the hack or code is in this tab. So keep scanning on your browser till you get to the tab. Look like I'm in here. So let's keep scanning. Okay, there is those. Now, just like what we done before, highlight them all. We're highlighting them all, put them down, because there's 7,000, we're going to wait 7 seconds. On how many thousand it is, like 100,000. We're going to wait for a minute. There. Then highlight them all again. And get this freaking code again. And minimize it. And change this freaking code again. Click OK. Just minimize. Don't press enter or anything. Then let's join the dungeon. And yeah. This thing has color, you know. Yeah! I'm recording. Hindi. Anyways, so that worked. And even my friend even helped me in here. So this is how you use cheat engine. This is why I just make this video, so my friend just keep on asking me. No, keep on asking me. Who are you talking to? Never mind about that. So see you guys later, and I'll teach you some more things, and I'll make some more videos. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe my channel so I'll make more videos for you guys. So see you guys on the next video.